Metal hand planes have a few basic traits that are universal among most metal planes. The form starts with this body on the bottom. This is generally going to be cast iron, and it has a mouth cut into it. On the top side, we have a tote and a knob. Those are generally wood, and those are what we hold onto as we plane. Now the business end is going to be this section down here, which is the frog. The frog is a ramp-shaped piece that is attached to the body, generally with pins or with a pair of screws. To adjust the blade depth, there's a depth adjustment knob that moves this little yoke that engages the blade. The blade can also be moved and skewed left and right with this lateral adjustment. Now looking at the blade quick, we have the sharpened blade on the back, that's going to be the taller section, but on the front we have this shorter section with a rounded profile. This is called the chip breaker. This is to break up shavings as they come off the tip of the blade and direct them out of the mouth of the plane. The blade and chip breaker mount to the frog and then are held in place with this, a lever cap. It's spring loaded, locks down in place, and now it's ready for use.